This is Lucy Rivera. This is Lucy Rivera here. Just want to talk to you guys about the Pelican Air that I just got. I'm super excited because this is the case that I've been wanting to get for a long time. I saved up all my pennies, saved up all nickels, dimes, and quarters, and I finally got it. This is 1615, which is 40% lighter. It's 40% lighter. It's TSA approved, meaning I can travel to the airport right now, take this baby on, bring all my photography equipment on it, and let's go. Actually, I have pretty much all my photography, my lenses, my cameras, my some lighting equipment, strobes. The only thing I don't have is just all like as far as tripods and C-stands, because for obvious reasons they're super big, and I would definitely need a lot bigger case than this. But other than that, this is like perfect, exactly what I need it for. And if you are in the market to buying this, then this is it right here. So some other features about this case itself, that in case you are on the market of buying and you're not sure what to get, this is, it's lightweight, it's dust proof, it's almost crush proof, because I can't say that for anything. I haven't tested this out yet. So I just want to say it's what the manufacturers are saying out there. And it's watertight. It's got an O-ring seal on the inside, which I'll show you in a second. The dimensions to this is length is 32.58, the width is 18.40, and the depth it's 11.2. So I mean, once again, it's a pretty decent size. This is what I was in the market for. I'm glad I finally got it. You can, if you're looking to find them used, it's really rare because once people buy them, it's hard for them to let go. This stuff is just for life. It's just like Zippo lighters. Once you get a Zippo lighter, it's with you all life. So in case something happens to it, you can just send it back to manufacturers of Pelican, and they're, if something happens that seems like there's a crack, anything, they'll gladly replace it. So yeah, let's take a look what's inside. All right, so Pelican Air. There's different bundles, different companies have different stuff that you can purchase with. The one that I got has a foam and the gels itself. You can actually see right here, foam, they come off if you don't want to use it. It's got support right here, more foam to support the center, which is pretty good. And then you see here the gels as well for the photography gear. You can actually, you can actually move them around. You can actually, put them any way you want. This is my setup that I have right now. I got strobes. I got for light fixtures. I have actually drones to shoot my weddings around and everything, and get this baby up in the air when I need it. I have lenses for on the go as well, like 70 to 200 f2.8. Trying to get this, get those perfect shots from far away zooms. Also, I have my other camera ready. So once again, another setups that it's really great to have on all in one package. And then we have here the most important tool of them all, and it is a DeLorean. That's right. You never know when you need this bad boy, because when you actually needed to retake photos and you kind of messed up on a wedding shoot, then you use this bad boy and you can go back in time and redo it again. So this is what you need in all Pelican cases. So I mean, that's pretty much what I have for this Pelican Air. There's not really much to talk about except for just the standard features. It's got O-ring, to put watertight. It's got, the foam to protect your gear. There's different prices, different bundles. It's lighter, 40% lighter. I mean, I dealt with other Pelican cases. They're, really, it's like 25 pounds. This is more like 14 to 17 pounds. So there is the difference. It's just great all around. So if there's any questions, concerns, or comments, hopefully this can guide you to wanting to get one. If not, you feel like you need something bigger, there's other sizes. If you want to get something smaller, for more compact travel, then get those as well. But this is the one for me. Hopefully you guys can see this and get yourself a DeLorean. And also guys, remember to hit that like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.